It's Angie and Becky of 1-800-DUI Laws here today to discuss the Tiger Woods story that he may have been under the influence of something when he was driving his car the night that the world exploded, at least in his life. So, a lot of different things could have happened with the DUI, but why wasn't he charged?
Because he's a celebrity.
Well, of course, celebrities are.
I just feel like the district attorney was a huge Tiger Woods fan and didn't want to have his hero put in jail.
Well, of course. I mean, that's kind of the way the world works. Yeah. You know, that's why we all want to become celebrities.
To not go to
it's
jail.
because we are above the law, of course. But had Tiger been arrested for a DUI, it could have been kind of a different story. I mean, you know, there's all kinds of repercussions to this type of thing. He could have spent time in jail. Probably not super likely, but it could have happened. He would have fines and things, which to him would have been a drop in the bucket. I think that the main thing is that he'd have potential child custody issues. I mean, now that he would have been arrested for a misdemeanor and potentially convicted of a misdemeanor, that certainly has some play there.
Also, like, his career, you know, like, they don't allow...
It's possible, you know, with the kind of his damage to the reputation as well, right. Because, you know, he had a lot of advertisers already drop him, and that was just kind of for not being moral, but now we're kind of into the realm of not legal, so that's something else to consider. And, you know, the story here, we're reading the story from SB Nation, which I guess is a golf website, but the story here is talking a little bit about that Elin came out, and she had Vicodin, and she had Ambien, and my question is... why does he have Vicodin and Ambien? Are they legal? Are they his?
Are they prescribed as his name on the pill box? There's a lot of questions, and I'm assuming that she went into questioning and things like that. And so there's a lot of things that we don't know, and I think that's why it's difficult to be like, well, he should be in jail.
Well, of course. I mean, it's a lot of speculation, but I got to say, if these prescriptions weren't legal, that could be a major story. I mean, if he's, you know, drinking and driving, of course, is an awful thing. But you know, you can also be charged with driving under the influence for any kind of medication that's going to alter, you know, your ability to drive in a manner that would be similar to someone who is not under any kind of altercation, any kind of altered state.
And he did go to rehab, which is interesting because. They said, like, they made it sound like he went to rehab for cheating on his wife, but you usually don't go to rehab for cheating on your wife.
That's right. That's typical.
Unless you have some type of addiction.
And it could also be kind of like increasing his, you know, just kind of like manic stages or anything. I mean, now he came out and he said he slept with 100 people or something, and he was kind of Wilt Chamberlain type behavior. Very strange. It could explain the rehab and the affairs, and even more importantly, and this isn't just a loss of reputation, but it could really affect his career if they start doing drug testing or find out that he's an addict. I don't know what that means for him in the world of golf, but I can probably tell you it's not great.
No.
So that's it for today.